Hello and welcome to What Mommy Loves. My name is Ezinma, and for today's video I'll share with you guys my pre-poo routine for natural and transitioning hair just like mine. I use aloe vera. Aloe vera has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It has unbelievable healing properties. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp. It's great as a hair conditioner. It reduces dandruff and it balances the pH of your hair. Next is sweet almond oil. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E and magnesium. It also helps to strengthen the hair, best for treating hair loss and damaged hair. It adds shine to the hair and prevents dandruff. Castor oil is high in vitamin E. It has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff and scalp infections, and balances the pH of the hair. Next is olive oil. It helps to strengthen hair follicles and shafts, prevents hair breakage, conditions the hair. It also moisturizes the hair and stimulates hair growth, and it prevents dandruff. Finally, my handy applicator bottle to help me apply the oils on my hair for my pre-poo. For my oil treatment, I'm going to pour in 1 ounce each of the 3 oils, starting with the olive oil. So that's 1 ounce, and then I'll move on to sweet almond oil, and then I'll also measure 1 ounce, and then castor oil 1 ounce as well. And I'll just shake it for me and my kids. I use this oil for me and my kids, and the good thing about this oil is that they all contain vitamin E, which is a very good antioxidant to help repair scalp tissue. So my hair is embarrassingly dry, guys. You guys have to bear with me, seriously, because I just loosened a protective style. I had my hair in plaits for 2 weeks and I just took it out, so you guys just bear with me. Anyway, for the pre-poo, I start by applying my aloe vera onto my hair, and so I do this in lines. As you can see, my hair is still in twists, so just bear with me. I finger detangle my hair, and then I apply the aloe vera on my scalp. So I just use my fingers to demarcate my hair, and that's just how I apply the aloe vera on my scalp. And then next I apply some on my fingers, and then I just massage my hair with the aloe vera. And then next I go in with water to add some moisture to my hair, and just make it soft. Next I apply my oil treatment into my scalp. I like to start from the scalp before I apply the oil on all my hair. So it's best for you to do this in sections. It allows you to be able to concentrate on each hair strand and make sure all the moisture and oils get into the hair strand. Next I'll just massage my hair. Ooh, that feels so good, guys. I tell ya, that feels so good. So I'm just gonna massage my hair to make sure that there's blood circulation going on my scalp. And then I take some more oils and put on the tips of my hair. I'm just gonna put some on my hand and then put on the tips of my hair to make sure that oils are everywhere. So oils, it's best to use oils for your pre-poo instead of conditioner. So if you're using conditioner before, conditioner is not quite advisable, because conditioner should be like the last thing you do during your wash day instead of the other way around. And then next I just twist my hair, and I'm done with that section. And then I just put a little more oil on the tips of the hair, just to make sure that my twist game is strong. So that's it for that section, and then I'll move on to the next section. And for this section I'm just going to repeat the same steps that I did in the first section. I'll finger detangle. Mind you, I don't use comb when I'm finger detangling. Obviously, when I'm detangling my hair, I use my fingers, and I just find that it helps reduce breakage and hair loss and shedding and all that bad stuff. Anyway, I'm going to apply aloe vera again to every single line of my scalp, and then I'll apply some water to add in some moisture. It's good to add water and then an oil next. It just locks in that moisture. The oil will act as a sealant to lock in that moisture into your hair. And so I'll just apply my oils. I love this oil mixture so much. I've seen a lot of growth in my hair because my hair, I'm transitioning. As you can see, the tips of my hair are the relaxed ends. I've been cutting them off bit by bit. But then I'm transitioning, so I can already see my natural hair growth, and then the tips are just relaxed hair. But this oil, I tell you, this oil is like legit good for your hair. It's legit good for your hair. Castor oil grows your hair like crazy, and then olive oil is just that bad boy for preventing dandruff. Same thing with sweet almond oil, and so I just love this mixture, guys. If you have them in your home, you could try it out. It's really good for your hair, and it's also good for kids as well, so definitely give it a shot. Anyway, I'm going to twist this side as well, and as you can see, I just threw away some of my hair that I just shed. I'll do the same steps for the back of my hair by applying aloe vera, water and oil as a sealant as usual, and then I just twist, and this is it. This is the final application, or what should I call this part? This is just me having two horns on my head, really. Anyway, so I'm going to keep my hair this way overnight. So I'm going to use my scarf. My scarf is just a silk scarf, and this just it's more gentle on natural fussy hair like mine. And so I'm just going to tie this on my head, and I'm going to sleep with this. I'm going to leave it overnight because I need all that moisture. I need all that good stuff in my hair to grow my hair. I want my hair to be healthy. So if you want healthy hair, you have to do healthy things in it. So this is just what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave my hair like this, tied up, and then I'll sleep, and then I'll share another video tomorrow of how I wash my hair. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe, and also stay tuned for my next video of how I wash my hair. See you soon. Bye.